Bonsoir à toutes, bonsoir à tous, bienvenue sur le tapis rouge de ce 72e Festival de Cannes. Et si on parlait foot ce soir, et si on parlait d'un des plus grands footballeurs de l'histoire de ce sport, et si on parlait de Diego Maradona, l'homme,
Diego Maradona, the legend, the man, told by one of the greatest documentary makers of the moment, and it talks about people. Asif Kapadia, who gave us the biography of Ayrton Senna, another one on Amy Winehouse, which was presented here, called Amy. So, very, very particular way to telling the story of these people through archives, through witness statements, people talking about them, and documentary images and so on. But we'll talk to him in a moment. We'll ask him why he chose Maradona, why he chose to tell the story of the years in Naples, of El Pipellero. But steps that took place a few moments ago, and it was for the film of Christophe Honoré, Chambre 212, in Un certain regard. And there we can see everybody from the film: Camille Cotin, Christophe Honoré, Vincent Lacoste,
Benjamin
Biolay, and Chiara Mastroianni,
metteur en scène.
As their director.
Voici donc Benjamin Biolay.
There's Benjamin Biolay, Chiara Mastroianni, Camille Cotin, Vincent Lacoste, and of course Christophe Honoré. The film is Chambre 212, room 212. In Un certain regard this week, but of course he's been here many times before.
Il était là l'année dernière.
He was here last year in competition with Vincent Lacoste as well.
Et Pierre de Ladonchamp.
And Pierre de Ladonchamp.
Plaire, aimer et courir vite en 2011.
Which was called
de clôture avec les bien-aimés.
Sorry Angel.
En compétition en 2007.
2007. There was Love Songs.
Sélectionné à un certain regard en 2002.
And 70 times Cécile Cassard was selected for un certain regard.
Camille Cotin et Vincent Lacoste.
And Camille Cotin et Vincent Lacoste.
Camille Cotin et Vincent Lacoste. Benjamin
in Two Friends. So here they are in room 212. Chiara Mastroianni. Chiara Lacoste.
Chiara Mastroianni.
Chiara Mastroianni.
Retrouve son metteur en scène des bien-aimés.
With, of course, the director of The Beautiful Person, The Beloved.
Lui aussi, qui retrouve
Vincent Lacoste as well.
Plaire, aimer et courir vite.
With
c'est la première fois
Sorry Angel.
Un film de Christophe Honoré.
Camille Cotin, first time she's been in one of Honoré's films. I don't know if she's come to Cannes already.
Scénariste
Camille.
de Ken Loach est avec nous.
Thierry Frémaux, c'était il y a quelques instants, qui accueillait
Thierry Frémaux, waiting to greet them.
Benjamin Biolay,
Camille Cotin.
Camille Cotin, pour la première fois au festival.
So, here, for the first time at the Cannes Film Festival, one of the, very up-and-coming actress in French cinema. Of course, if you know Call My Agent, the French version, you know it. So that was a few moments ago.
Au niveau de la montée des marches de Chambre 212, le film va commencer.
Room 212. The film, I think, is beginning about now. In Debussy, and another moment which is very strong. In Cannes, I was with you a few hours ago for the red carpet of Terrence Malick, and the film worked really well. So the film of Terrence Malick, you see how warmly it was received.
Toute l'équipe du Malik était là. Il se murmure que
There we are.
était dans la salle, mais
and there were rumors that Terrence was in the room, but nobody saw him. I called him Terrence, but there you go. Terrence Malick, of course.
On voit les producteurs du film, on va voir les acteurs dans un instant.
Producers, we'll see the actors in a moment.
Auguste Dill et Valérie Pachner.
Auguste Dill and Valérie Pachner.
Très, très ému.
Looking very moved.
très très ému. Et voilà, Auguste Deal.
Auguste Deal.
On a vu Terrence Malick dans la salle, il a évité les caméras comme...
Of course, he avoided the cameras. Apparently, he was in the room, but he was there, and he heard the applause.
Présent dans la salle il y a quelques...
The people in the room a few moments ago.
On l'espère demain en conférence de presse.
We hope that he'll be in the press conference tomorrow.
Hidden Life, une vie cachée.
Hidden Life.
Le film de Terrence Malick présenté ce soir.
Terrence Malick's film presented tonight.
Une deuxième Palme d'Or après...
Will he get a second Palme d'Or after Tree of Life in 2011?
La réaction du public.
Given the reaction of the audience, I mean, it might not be impossible.
Le film de Céline Sciamma a été...
And Céline Sciamma's film as well was extremely well received too.
Le portrait de la jeune fille.
Portrait of a Lady on Fire.
Extrêmement bien reçu.
Very, very well received.
Et il le méritait largement.
And deservedly so.
Voilà donc Auguste Deal et Valérie Pachner.
Auguste Deal.
Voilà donc retour sur le tapis rouge.
So the red carpet of the 72nd Cannes Film Festival,
On voit ici Roman Boranger.
there's Roman Boranger from the jury for the Œil d'Or.
Une séance photo pour les photographes, Roman Boranger, dont
Roman
on a
Boranger.
vu L'amour flou cette année,
We saw L'Amour Flou this year.
réalisatrice du film.
She co-directed the film.
Et à ses côtés, Yolande Zoberman,
Yolande Zuberman,
présidente du jury.
president of the jury.
L'Œil d'Or. Un jury qui a
Œil
été créé
d'Or.
il y a quelques années pour choisir le meilleur documentaire.
So this is for the best documentary
Quinzaine cannoise. Toutes
of the
sélections.
fortnight in all the selections, whether it's the Un certain regard, Director's Fortnight, whatever,
Un documentaire, il
special
faut pour l'Œil d'Or.
screening.
C'est un peu le système de la caméra d'or, alors que Asif
So,
Kapadia
Asif Kapadia
est arrivé en bas des marches.
is here at
On va
the
lui
bottom
dire
of
un
the
petit mot.
steps.
Voilà, il nous rejoint. Asif, comment ça va?
Asif, how are you?
Really, thank you. Sorry, I'm really happy, really well. So excited and nervous and proud to be here in Cannes with our film.
Let me ask you a very stupid and simple question. Why Maradona?
Because he's a star, because he's amazing, because he's drama. You know, I love football.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? And the idea of making the opportunity to make a film about one of the greatest footballers of all time, but also someone who has a lot of good and bad things happened in his life, and the chance to make that into a movie, that was what we wanted to do.
It's a fascinating character. I mean, I remember the last World Cup. Some of the most important images in my head are him watching a game and going totally crazy about it. Why are we so fascinated by him?
I think some people have genuine charisma. Whatever they do, people want to look. So there was a World Cup match going on there, and the cameras are looking at Diego there, and they kept cutting to him. You'll see, that is a part of the film. We try to deal with these issues in our film. So hopefully after the film, people will understand your question. Why?
Which period of his life are you telling? Are you concentrating on the Naples career? How does that work?
Yeah, we looked at all of his life, from very young in Argentina, right the way through to Naples to now. But the main focus, the heart of the film, is, for me, his best period is when he became the best player in the world, is when he played in Italy for Napoli, when he won the World Cup. And that's kind of like the centerpiece of our movie.
I love what you do with the characters that you describe. I mean, I never met Amy Winehouse, but I was in tears watching your movies. And I never met Ayrton Senna, but I was like this when you tell a story. How do you do that? How do you get to that? Is it archival footage? Is it your way to tell a story? How do you do that?
It takes a long time. We do a lot of research. We talk to a lot of people. But what I love to do is try and show the real footage from the time. So you get an idea that we're there in the 80s in Naples. and you meet the people at the time. And there's a particular style that I did with my other films, Senna and Amy, which I was here with 4 years ago. So I think that's what makes it feel authentic. Everything you see is real and from that period.
I think you're talking about the screening of Amy here. What did that change in the life of the film to be in Cannes?
Oh, I think it was an amazing journey for us. I had no idea what it was going to be like. I had no idea how the film was going to be received because it's quite a heavy film. It's a very sad film. But then we went on this incredible journey from Cannes. We had the release. It broke lots of records around the world. It won BAFTAs, it won Oscars, it won a Grammy, it won a European Film Awards. It was incredible. It was an amazing, a dream of a journey. And most importantly, it recognized Amy Winehouse as an amazing, beautiful artist. And I think people fell in love with her.
We're going to let you go to your screening, but where is Diego now? What does he say? What does he think about the film?
Sadly, he's not well. He has to have an operation, and he's working in Mexico, so he wasn't able to come today, which is a real shame. And the truth is, I was hoping he would see the film with an audience for the first time, so he'd have the love of Cannes. So now we'll have to organize something another time.
We're streaming live all over.
We'll take everyone from Cannes to Mexico, and we'll show it to him.
I mean, one last thing, we're streaming live on YouTube all over the world. So maybe he's watching. Do you have a message for him?
I just want to say to him that we're sending love from Cannes. I think when people see the film, they understand Diego Maradona much more, where he came from, what he achieved, what he went through, and who he is now. So, you know, we hope that the word gets through to him, that basically people really feel for him and understand him a lot better now.
Asif, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Asif Kapadia.
Asif Kapadia, the director of Diego Maradona, screened tonight outside off competition. So, special screening for a much-awaited documentary who won the Academy Award for Amy that was screened here as well.
Ils vont se mettre en place dans un instant et on va vivre avec eux la montée.
So they're getting in place. We're going to see the red carpet for Diego Maradona. If it's a shame that he can't be here with us tonight, but I'd love to go to Mexico with him. That would be great. I mean, you know, take everybody in the theatre, everybody watching tonight on TV Festival, everybody as well in the production studios in Cannes, in Paris as well. So we'll call Thierry Frémaux, Pierre Descours. They can organise some charter flights and take us all over. Orange, Orange, Canal Plus. But no, it's fantastic to have the documentary here tonight in the official selection. Documentaries, of course, have always been involved here. Remember the Palme d'Or for Fahrenheit 9/11 from Michael Moore in 2004, I think. Yeah, because it was 6 months before the elections. But George Bush was still re-elected.
Voilà donc Asif Kapadia que l'on voit.
So Asif Kapadia on screen.
Si vous avez vu Amy, si vous avez vu son Senna, vous savez comment.
If you saw Senna or Amy, you know how he uses archive images, how he how he does this. There was some, it was very moving to see the film of Amy Winehouse.
Diego Maradona.
Diego Maradona.
1986.
So 1996.
1990.
Finalist 1990.
Diego Maradona. Les plus belles années de footballeur, il les a vécues à Naples.
So his greatest times in Napoli.
Diego Maradona qui avait été élu meilleur joueur de la Coupe du Monde en 86.
And in 86 he was elected best player That was, of course, the hand of God. You'll remember the match against England in the quarterfinals.
Probablement en équipe nationale son meilleur match.
Probably his best match in the national team. He was incredible that evening. He was on fire.
Très grand joueur.
Great player. But then, of course, you know, got a bit wayward.
Plus ou moins conseillé, plutôt moins que plus même.
And maybe he didn't take the best advice.
La drogue, la fête.
Drugs, parties.
Tout ça l'avait entraîné bien loin.
Took him a long way. Took him as far as a big heart problem as well.
Fin des années 90.
At the end of the 1990s.
Du cœur à Cuba. Du grand bruit.
He went to Cuba to have a heart operation.
Toujours des problèmes de santé, toujours des problèmes.
But he's still bogged down with health problems.
Qui se soigne, qui continue à soigner, qui maintenant.
I mean, now he's dealing with a second division team. He's managing a second division team in Mexico. But you know, people used to talk about it a lot. But now it's, you know, he's dealing with it nicely. He still likes football, of course. He's still elsewhere. But he was, of course, an outstanding footballer. I mean, there are very few people like him.
De sa vie, on en saura plus en regardant le film dessus.
And for the rest of his life, we'll see more about it with this film from Asif Kapadia.
Diego Maradona.
Diego Maradona, the steps beginning now.
Du film Diego Maradona, réalisé par Asif Kapadia, le réalisateur de Amy, film documentaire sur Amy Winehouse présenté en 2015 en compétition au Festival de Cannes.
En 2015 ici avec Amy.
Asif Kapadia in 2015 was here with Amy. And he won the second prize of Cine Fondation
Du biographe Daniel Arcucci
in 1997 called The Sheep Thief.
Chris King, du compositeur de la musique originale
Asif Kapadia from Britain.
Il s'est spécialisé très vite dans le documentaire.
Who went into documentaries very early on.
Il a la chance de pouvoir prendre
and who can take time to study all the archives and choose everything and tell stories like nobody else, using archive images, archive footage, looking at the reality of the person he talks about. And he gets a rare intimacy. That was the case with Amy and with Senna.
Des films absolument fascinants.
Fascinating films.
Et voilà donc.
So,
voilà donc toute l'équipe de Diego Maradona.
So everybody from Diego Maradona,
Kapadia,
from Asif Kapadia.
Il y a donc le réalisateur Fernando Signorini, le coach de.
There's Fernando Signorini, who was at
Daniel
Naples at the
Arcucci,
time.
biographe.
Daniel Arcucci,
Chris King, le monteur.
Chris King, editor.
Antonio Pinto,
Antonio Pinto,
le compositeur de la
the
musique.
composer of the music.
L'un des producteurs, James Gay. Paul Martin,
James Gray,
Lina Caicedo, Fiammetta Luino, 5 producteurs du film,
the 5 producers of the film.
dont les deux dernières, Lina Caicedo,
Lina Calcido
Fiammetta Luino,
and Fiammetta Luino.
libérer les droits des archives, de les retrouver.
They had to deal with getting all the rights for the archive footage and so on. And there's a lot of work to be done, but
Ça doit être un boulot de.
this must be incredible work, incredible job.
Voilà, alors que Thierry Frémaux attend l'équipe à mi-marche.
Thierry Frémaux waiting for them halfway up the steps. Asif Kapadia.
Va être accueilli par le délégué général du festival.
And welcomed by the General Delegate, Thierry Frémaux.
Délégué général et amateur de football.
Diego Maradona qui avait eu droit à un autre
Diego Maradona, who had another documentary with Emir Kusturica, which was in Cannes as well.
On était dans autre chose, on était plus dans une espèce d'ode à Maradona.
It was more a sort of ode to Maradona.
Véritable
Here we're in a real biographical documentary as Asif Kapadia does so well.
Et voilà donc toute l'équipe du film d'Asif Kapadia que l'on voit ici. Salut
So there they are,
les festivaliers, le voilà.
greeting the festival goers.
Tout cela pour fêter le
They're all here for the new film
d'Asif Kapadia,
of Asif
Maradona.
Kapadia, Diego Maradona.
Maradona qu'on avait à un moment annoncé à Marseille comme entraîneur. Ça aurait été quelque chose.
And he was announced as being the trainer for Marseille, which should have been something.
Voilà donc toute l'équipe.
So there they are.
Pour Diego Maradona. Maradona qui avait entraîné
bien.
l'équipe argentine pendant 2 ans, semble-t-il.
Apparently he trained the Argentinian team. He was coach for the Argentinian team for a couple of years without much success.
C'est surtout la vie incroyable de...
It's the incredible life of Diego.
Il y a très peu de joueurs de football de
There are very
cette
few
dimension.
football players of that size who become genuine legends.
On va citer Cruyff, Platini,
Cruyff, Platini,
Zidane, peut-être.
Zidane maybe.
Il n'y en a pas beaucoup, hein. Vraiment pas.
There's not a lot.
Et tous ceux que je viens de citer ont eu des vies tranquilles.
And
Pas
of
Diego
course,
Maradona.
they all had a quiet life compared to Diego Maradona.
Le documentaire de
And you're going to see the documentary
Kapadia.
of Asif Kapadia.
Mesdames et messieurs, Asif
Innovation.
Kapadia.
Que je vous laisse écouter. Voici donc Asif Kapadia et toute l'équipe de...
So Asif Kapadia and the crew from Diego Maradona.
prend place dans la salle lumière.
Settling down into
Bonne nouvelle, la pluie s'est arrêtée. J'espère.
Théâtre Lumière. And good news is the rain seems to have stopped and seems to be holding off.
Mais de toute façon, dans les salles, il fait
But of course,
Festival de Cannes.
it's always good to be in the theatres in Cannes.